Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to download songs on Spotify so you can listen to your favorite music offline. Stick around until the end to learn all the steps and tips to download songs quickly and easily. Let's get started. Downloading songs is only available for premium users. So if you're using the free version, you will need to upgrade to Spotify Premium to download songs. Now, to make it easier to manage your downloads, start by creating a playlist or album where you can add all the songs you want to download. For this, to create a playlist, click on Create at the bottom. Now give your playlist or album a name and then click on Create. Now search for the songs you want to download and add them to this playlist by tapping the plus sign next to each song. And once you have added all the songs to your playlist or album, open the playlist or album where you have gathered the songs. Look for the downward arrow icon at the top of the playlist next to the playlist name. Tap on this arrow and Spotify will begin downloading all the songs in the playlist or album. And you will see the download progress next to each song. And once the arrow turns green, your music is downloaded and ready to listen offline. That's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.